How's the water feel?
It's way too cold.
Are you looking forward to this?
Not at all. I'm like feeling so relaxed, and then you got me in this cold water.
I'm trying to wake you up.
Why do you hate me?
Good morning from Mission Beach.
Good morrow. Sure. I didn't wash out my wetsuit, so it smells like yak piss. It's just like rotting water.
No.
Rotting salt water.
Krill in the water.
Yeah. Twister, bro, from Rocket Power.
I have successfully deposited Kevin into the ocean. Now I'm going to go rollerblading. I haven't decided which boardwalk. It's still pretty early. It's like 8:30. Beachside boardwalk shouldn't actually be too crowded, but I don't know if I want to risk it. I might just head over to the bayside. The boardwalk is already busy. It's peak tourist season. I actually haven't rollerbladed in a couple months, so it kind of burns, like in my glute medius, but it's nice to be out again. A lot of people on the boardwalk this time of year, so it's not as fun when you're dodging people. Watch how after I pass, I go back over to the far right. Very demure, very mindful, very cutesy. I'm super annoyed. I should have just gone to the bayside. That was very annoying.
You wasn't a little guy, like, you're winning 4-0 the Saturday Chronicles. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry.
We were hanging out with some acquaintances, so I didn't film them.
Yeah.
Playing some VB.
Yeah. I definitely destroyed some 17-year-olds at volleyball.
Yeah, it was pretty epic. He crushed their spirits.
No, but I did win. I didn't crush their spirits, but we won.
We're leaving the beach now, leaving tourist town, which is Hallelujah, going back to our neighborhood.
Yeah. Which is also tourist town, but like whatever.
It's not as touristed. This is Mission Beach.
Yeah, this is the tourist spot.
We're gonna hang out with
my parents, and we're gonna paddleboard, and then they're probably gonna want to get dinner or something. So it's gonna be super fun.
All right, deuces. Beach number 2.
Beach number 2. My parents are paddleboarding for the first time. My mom spent yesterday learning how to paddleboard. She really struggles with balance and stuff because she's got ear problems, like a cochlear implant. So it's interesting to see. She's loving it and having fun, but it's really challenging for her, which I think is good. We'll see how she does today.
How's the water feel?
It's way too cold.
Are you looking forward to this?
Not at all. I'm like feeling so relaxed, and then you got me in this cold water.
I'm trying to wake you up.
Why do you hate me?
Stingray shuffle.
Oh, you can see.
I've stepped on one while skiing before. They move fast.
What'd you just say to me?
You're blind. You have very impaired vision.
You're lucky you're cute.
You can't see the stingrays.
Very lucky you're cute.
Go ahead and jump in and then tell me how hot or how cold it is. No, it won't. I cannot.
Come on.
It's too cold. Stop pulling me.
My nose.
Hey, you jumping in? Go. Is it cold?
Feels good.
I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I literally caught your foot. I gotta pee now.
Don't pull on me.
I'm gonna pee on you.
That's very nice. So cold, but feels so good. Haven't had the little goosebumps, have you?
No, you have the goosebumps.
You did too, I can see them.
Oh, okay.
He's so cold.
We do have goosebumps.
You just had to swim more. You were holding too still.